Sac Passe YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how I clean my lashes. These brands are Lilly lashes. These are my favorite lashes brand, and today I am going to show you how I keep them clean. So this case is my lashes case. This is the lashes that we are going to be cleaning today. I think this style is New York. As you can see, it's full of eyeshadow, glue, and eyeliner. So today we're gonna be cleaning that. I have different style as well. So this one is the Brooklyn style, this one is the Boston style, and this one is an Atlanta style. So I really love how she names the lashes after each city, so in state. So anyway, without further ado, so let's go over what we're going to need to clean the lashes. So if you like to see the rest of the video, please keep on watching. Okay, to clean your lashes, you will need a bowl. You will need oil-free eye makeup remover by Neutrogena. This is one of my favorite, especially if you have waterproof mascara or waterproof eyeliner. It's such an easy process for you to just remove, because it removes anything in the eyes. Before I use it, I like to shake it a little bit. Now, so let's go ahead and put a little bit on the bowl so we could let I think that's enough. And what we're going to do, we're going to remove the lashes right there, place it in the bowl, and like that, and like so. See, there it is. Okay, so we have applied the lashes in the bowl, the oil-free eye makeup remover, just to remove all the excess oils, glues, eyeshadow, and anything that's in there. So we're gonna let it sit for about 30 to 35 minutes, and then I'm going to show you the next step, so stay tight. Okay, so it has been 30 minutes. So as you can see, things started to dissolve. So what I like to do, I like to kind of pull away the glue from the lashes. You see? Just clean it out and just pull away the glue. So everything just kind of melt. The glue, the eyeshadow, and sometimes the mascara. So I'm gonna get the other one. And just do the same way. Look how the water turned very dark. Look at all the excess oil on top, all the dirt, the mascara, the glue. I'm going to rinse it out and then soak it on dishwasher soap. To rinse it. Some dish soap mixed with some hot water again. I'm going to let it sit for about another 20 minutes, so that way we could just clean everything and then it will be ready to wear a pair of lashes. So the lashes has been cleaned off from the soap. So now what I like to do is I like to place it in the paper towel right there and just kind of brush it over it like this, like so. And just kind of give it the shape that it had before, just like that. Just brush it down. All right, everybody, so this is how I clean my lashes. Let me know, how do you clean your lashes, or how do you preserve your lashes so you could use them all the time? So for me, these are my steps. I use this oil-free makeup remover, and then I go ahead and apply the dish soap, rinse it, brush it. This is how I keep my lashes and try to preserve it. Please let me know in the comment box below if you like me to show you how to apply your lashes. I would love to do so. I think applying lashes is fun. Yes, it can be difficult, but practice makes perfect. The more you try to apply your lashes, the easier it's gonna get for you, the practical it's gonna get for you. So I'd just like to say thank you so much for tuning in. Please comment, share, and like this video with your friends, and of course I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.